Accent Snaptide here, and today we're making chicken nuggets.
Yes, now welcome again. Now chicken nuggets, now my pikin they make here. Make una no verse. She don't already go far with the thing before we can carry camera. So what did she do here? Be say she just blend chicken breast, come mold the thing well. So I am now. Make una watch and the video they self-explanatory, abi?
Yes. So I'm just putting in the seasonings that I'm gonna use to kind of like marinate the chicken nuggets in. So we have some Italian seasoning, salt, Maggi, and red pepper, as you can see here.
Yeah.
And we have a lot more ingredients that's gonna make it taste so good.
Yeah, if una just dey watch am, una go just the thing dey self-explanatory. I mean, how dem dey even talk am sef. Anyway, as she talk am, salt dey, Maggi na im be seasoning or all-purpose seasoning. Anyway, just to taste any seasoning wey una wan put, we just put any seasoning, sha. Put the one wey you like. Na im dem dey call wetin? Preference, abi?
Yeah. Put your choice of seasonings.
Like so. So, anyway, you want to know what you want to talk?
You can see we have lots of Italian seasoning here, and we have some dill.
Yeah, be like say parsley even did that place. Curry powder might even join.
Yeah, there is. And I think there's a bit of thyme too. I can't remember.
Only small. Okay.
Yeah.
Only small now we just put. So when we do she mold the thing, put them inside
boiling water so it can hold its shape. And now we're adding in some curry powder to the seasoning.
This one has spicy curry. So,
yeah, it's spicy one. And some garlic powder, which we
powder
barely have any left.
That's so. Anyway, but we still get small what we put inside.
Yep.
So the process of doing this chicken nugget, the thing, it get plenty process. So una go see as we do am. But make I tell una something will happen.
For that, I don't know if you might think this is weird or something, but I like to put ketchup in some of my seasonings for my foods and stuff. It actually turns out really good if you try it.
Almost everything on actually they put ketchup and the thing they fine.
It adds some flavor.
Yeah, even if you buy suya herself, now so she go wash the suya, say she no like the pepper. She go come put even ketchup inside. Anyway, we'll go do one video for una one of these days. Make una see.
Just stay tuned for that one.
So, okay, as the video they go, make una they hear this story of what happened today. Make una tell me whether my pikin do me well. So, I chop food. I can't say I want drink team. Una sabi team. Anyway, that one a soda drink. So I put the thing with ice block come put them sit down they drink. I say make I walk out small. Now this girl just can't carry the thing. She drink. I dey ask her who drink am. She begin they tell me long story. I be no be you drink am?
No, mommy now. Me? Mommy.
Who drink am?
Well, you see, you know, Tinubu has really corrupted this economy. You know, he can't even dash people AC or at least money to buy the AC. And you know, it's so hot today.
But NEPA
and
day.
so
If you dash your AC, NEPA day.
Well, he should dash out Jen now so they can use for the AC.
Okay, I dey hear you.
And you know, today is so hot, and you know, all the water in the house, it's just either room temperature, boiling, or anything that's not cold. And it's not like there's any cold rag for me to use now. So that was the only thing I saw to cool myself down. So yes, I just took a little sip now. And you are saying I drank the whole thing.
So because Tinubu no give you AC or generator, be waiting they call and heat can't worry you. Now you can't carry my chill drink where I keep. Can't drink her.
Mommy, no now.
Okay. Anyway, Now wetin I dey see for the hand of my pikin be that. But sha, these are nuggets. I give you last warning. Next time, no carry my drink again. Yeah.
Well,
If you go ask Tinubu, make it.
me, I don't listen to your rules also. I can't promise anything. No.
These flakes what they use for here, you fit use breadcrumbs if you get them. But in the absence of breadcrumbs, if you use these flakes, in fact, another one way if you use, maybe even I think biscuit few work.
But whatever you have, you just have to like make either blend it or just mash it. But you definitely have to make it into crumbs before it'll work.
Oh yes, now so if not, the thing no go stick well. So and you no go dey like nuggets.
And it's not like you can just flatten the bread and wrap it around. It's not even gonna stick though.
So you no go get that chicken nugget
That
crunch.
crunch, yeah.
Yes, you no go dey that shawa for mouth if you dey chop am. So anyway, our video done. Una don see the process now. Very easy. You know, too hard. Just say it go take you small time. You know that kind. You go need to arrange maybe that kind 40 minutes. Abi 40 go do now.
Yeah, 40, 45 or so.
Especially
But it doesn't take that long.
Yes, now so.
It depends on how much you make. If it's small, it should just take you like 20 minutes or so. But if you have a lot, it might take like 40, 50 minutes.
So that's that one be say if you get all the ingredients, you don't prepare and keep abi.
Yeah.
But if
once you have the ingredients ready, then it won't take you long. But if you have to prepare everything from scratch like we did here, then it's gonna take you a while.
Yeah, so guys, this thing yummy well. It's sweet. And I'm picking na do am. This one na her recipe. Very delicious. Okay, we thank you now for watching up to this time. Una go try and make una let us know whether una go try to cook am. And thank you now, abeg like, follow, make una subscribe. Una yeah, God bless una well.
So now I'm just gonna taste it with some ketchup. I have my ketchup here that I always have on hand. And then I'm just putting some on the chicken nugget. Then I'm gonna taste it. But just look at how good this is. Now, let's taste. It's actually so good. And let us know if you want to try this recipe sometime. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and follow. Peace. May God bless you. Bye, guys.